Hello, today we are showing you how to replace the compression pads in the Gerard device. Replacements are manufactured by Darmat. To remove the compression pad, loosen the screws on the back of the clamp. As always, when working with heavy equipment, take every precaution. Once the screws have been loosened, the insert can be removed. Be careful not to lose the springs located at the bottom of the insert. Their presence is necessary for the clamp to function properly. The springs are inserted into a new compression pad manufactured by Darmat. Gently insert the new compression pad and screw it on. The new part has been fitted. The vise is ready for use. Thank you for your time. We encourage you to familiarize yourself with the range of Darmat products. Have a nice day.